Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I am going to test if this phone can detect my handwriting and convert it into the text properly. Okay, so I'm going to test it. So I have this paper with some handwritten note and there are some mathematical symbols as well. So first of all I will turn on my phone camera. Okay, and then I will take the photo of this document. Okay, so I will use this T icon over here. Okay, so I just press it to take the picture. Okay, so now I took the picture of this document. Okay, so on top you can see there are two options available. The first one is scan, if you want to scan this document. The second one is extract text. Okay, so I will select this extract text option. Now what I will do, I will select all of this text. I just press it like this. Okay, and then I will highlight all of this text like that. Okay, the next thing is I will copy it. So here is the copy option. So you can see it says copy to clipboard. Now I will open the Samsung Notes and I will check if it is converted into the text. So I will just close it and then I open the Samsung Notes. Okay, and then I open a new note. Now what I will do, I will just open the clipboard. Okay, like that. So here is the last copied text, so I just select it and then I put it into my notes like this. Okay, now what I will do, I will check if it is scanned properly and if it extract the text. Okay, so here is all the text and I will try to compare it. Okay, so you can see calculate net worth, it's okay. Then assets, so it is also correct. Property, it says minus over here. Okay, so this is the first mistake. Okay, so minus, and then there are numbers, the numbers are correct. Then saving, and then again it is unable to detect this equal to. Okay, and you can see the way I write is also not very good, so that's why maybe it didn't detect properly. And then the number is correct, and then here you can see a multiplication sign, it's not here. Okay, so you can see it made another mistake, and then the third mistake is with this 2 0 and 20. Okay, and there is no this division sign as well. Current ACC, so it write current ACE. Okay, and then 6000% is okay. 23 146 23-146, so that is also correct. So you can see it made a few mistakes, almost 3 to 4 mistakes it made. And so this is how it convert my handwriting into the text. Okay, so you can see it. The next thing that I want to mention here is if you want to convert this document into a PDF file, you can do it. Okay, so for example, I go back to this document. So here is my picture. Okay, so what I can do is I select this scan option over here. Okay, so if you want to crop it, you can crop. Okay, like this. Okay, so you can see you can crop it and then you can save it. Okay, now what you can do is you can go to your gallery, open this document. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and then if you want to convert it into the PDF, select these three dots and select this print option. So once you select this print option, you can see here it is showing you the PDF icon over here. So you just select it and then you can give it any destination where you want to save it. So for example, you want to save it in the documents. Okay, and then select this save option. So now this is saved as a PDF file in the documents. If you want to access it, just go to my files. Okay, my files folder like this. Okay, and then go to the internal storage and then go to the documents. So here is your PDF file. Okay, so you can see .pdf. So this is how it converted into the PDF. You can open it using any app. Okay, so for example, I open it like this. So this is our PDF file. It looks like that. So guys, you can see it made some mistakes, maybe because of my handwriting is not good, and that's why it is unable to convert it properly into the text. So this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.